What's up, guys? It's Moss Hustles here, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI side hustles. Forget everything you think you know about making money online. This isn't your average make money with ChatGPT video. Want to turn AI into actual income? With zero tech skills? In this video I'll show you 3 weird AI tools that actually pay real money. And no, I'm not talking about ChatGPT or Canva. These are tools most people don't even know about. We're talking about turning simple sketches into digital art that sells, automating YouTube content creation, and uncovering hidden Etsy niches that are practically begging for someone to make bank. Stick around to the end, because the third one can literally start making you money in 10 minutes. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. The first tool we're diving into is called QuickVid AI, and it's an absolute game changer for anyone who wants to make money with YouTube Shorts, TikToks, or even longer form videos, without ever having to film a single thing. I'm talking about automating your content creation, people. Here's how it works. QuickVid AI takes your basic ideas, think video titles, keywords, or even just a couple of bullet points, and transforms them into fully fledged videos. We're talking AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, music, the whole 9 yards. It's like having a personal video editing team at your beck and call, but without the hefty price tag. Now, you might be thinking, Mussy, what's the catch? And honestly, there isn't one. You can use QuickVid to create videos for literally any niche imaginable. Got a passion for cooking? Boom, recipe videos on autopilot. Want to share your fitness journey? QuickVid can whip up motivational workout content in a flash. The possibilities are practically endless. But here's where it gets really interesting, the money-making part. See, with QuickVid, you can crank out high-quality videos faster than ever before. We're talking creating 5, 10, even 20 videos in a single day. And you can use these videos in a few different ways to start generating some serious cash. First up, you can upload these videos to your own YouTube channel. We all know the YouTube Shorts game is on fire right now. And with QuickVid, you can flood your channel with fresh, engaging content that can quickly rack up views and subscribers, and more views and subscribers equal more ad revenue. It's a no-brainer. But hold on, there's more. Let's say you don't want to wait around for YouTube monetization. No problem. You can take those same videos created with QuickVid and sell them directly to other creators or businesses. Platforms like Fiverr are teeming with people looking for affordable, high-quality video content, and that's where you come in. Think about it. Someone needs a 10-pack of shorts for their dog grooming business. You swoop in with QuickVid, create those videos in a couple of hours, and boom, easy money. You can even offer bulk discounts or package deals to really maximize your earnings. And for those of you who want to take things to the next level, there's the option to run what's called a faceless content channel. This basically means you're creating content around a specific niche without ever showing your face. You can use QuickVid to pump out videos, build a loyal following, and then monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, or even selling your own digital products. Alright guys, ready for AI tool number 2? This one's for all my Etsy entrepreneurs out there, or anyone who's ever dreamed of launching their own online business without needing to be a design whiz. I'm talking about tapping into a gold mine of profitable product ideas with a little help from our AI friend, Insight Factory. Now, Insight Factory isn't your average product research tool. It's like having a secret weapon that reveals exactly what's hot, what's trending, and most importantly, what's actually selling on Etsy. No more guessing games, no more wasting time on products that nobody wants. Insight Factory gives you the inside scoop on what customers are actually searching for and buying right now. Here's how it works. You tell Insight Factory your broad niche or product category. Let's say you're interested in selling t-shirts. Insight Factory then dives deep into Etsy's data, analyzing thousands of listings, search terms, and buying trends. It then spits out a treasure trove of information, including the top-performing sub-niches, trending keywords, and even the most popular design styles. But it gets even better. Insight Factory doesn't just show you what's already popular, it also helps you uncover hidden niche opportunities that other sellers might be missing. These are the golden nuggets, my friends, the low-competition, high-demand niches just waiting for someone like you to come in and dominate. So, you've got your winning niche and your trending keywords, now what? Well, this is where the real fun begins. Remember those AI design tools I mentioned earlier? This is where they come into play. Tools like Kittl or Midjourney can take your basic ideas and turn them into stunning professional quality designs in minutes. Let's say Insight Factory tells you that boho yoga t-shirts with inspirational quotes are all the rage right now. You can then head over to Kittl, type in those keywords, and boom, you've got dozens of unique, eye-catching designs to choose from. Once you've got your designs ready to go, it's time to upload them to Etsy. And the best part? You don't even need to worry about printing, packaging, or shipping your products. With Etsy's Printful integration, you can create print-on-demand products, meaning your designs are only printed and shipped when a customer places an order. Talk about passive income. You're literally making money in your sleep, while Insight Factory and your AI design tools do all the heavy lifting. It's the ultimate side hustle for anyone who wants to be their own boss and build a successful online business without the usual headaches. Alright folks, get ready to have your minds blown because this last AI tool is my personal favorite. It's called Scribble Diffusion, and it's about to change the game for anyone who's ever wanted to sell digital art, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Seriously, I'm talking about turning your ugliest doodles into polished masterpieces that people will actually pay for. Here's the deal. Scribble Diffusion is an AI-powered tool that takes your rough sketches, and I mean rough like back of a napkin chicken scratch rough, and transforms them into stunning digital art. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more profit potential. Think about it. You've got a head full of creative ideas but lack the technical skills to bring them to life. That's where Scribble Diffusion comes in. Sketch out your idea, no matter how messy or rudimentary, feed it into Scribble Diffusion, and watch in amazement as the AI works its magic. But here's where it gets really interesting. The money-making part. You see, there's a massive demand for digital art these days. People are buying everything from coloring book pages and printable wall art to social media templates and website graphics. And the best part is, digital products are the ultimate passive income stream. Once you've used Scribble Diffusion to create your digital art, you can sell it over and over again without having to worry about inventory, shipping, or any of that jazz. It's pure profit, baby. So where do you sell this digital goldmine? Well, one of the best platforms out there is Gumroad. It's incredibly easy to use, and it's specifically designed for selling digital products. You create a Gumroad account, upload your Scribble Diffusion masterpieces, set your price, and boom, you're in business. And the beauty of Gumroad is that it handles all the technical stuff for you, like payment processing and file delivery. All you have to do is create awesome art and promote your Gumroad shop. You can even integrate it with your existing website or social media channels to reach even more potential customers. But Gumroad isn't your only option. You can also sell your digital art on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even directly through your own website if you have one. The point is, there are tons of ways to get your Scribble Diffusion creations in front of eager buyers and start generating some serious passive income. There you have it. 3 weird but powerful AI tools you can start using today to make real money, without needing to code, design, or invest upfront. From turning doodles into digital art that sells itself to automating a full-blown YouTube channel, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? These tools are so easy to use anyone can do it. Which one are you going to try first? Comment below and let me know. And hey, if you found this helpful, drop a like. Subscribe for more AI side hustle content, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I'll catch you in the next